What's up, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Connected Threads. This week, the world of apparel is positively buzzing with headlines. From Dove Charney's continued legal battles to Bella's new location, there's a lot to talk about. But first, I want to call your attention to our new video series called Good Company with John Morris. In this series, John chats with myself and Sean Norris, who is the editor of our sister publication, Promo Marketing, about the world of convergence and how it's all about working together, not competing. John offers actionable business strategies and offers some tips for successful growth, so I highly encourage you to check that out. Episode 1 is live now on our website at apparelist.com. All right, let's get into some headlines. Dove Charney, who is the former CEO and founder of American Apparel, has filed for personal bankruptcy. Now, to get a complete picture of the details as well as the history behind that, you'll need to click on the news link. Bella Canvas is planning to take over a shuttered Alabama textile plant, and that's a move that's definitely going to benefit the surrounding community. Alicia Keys is one of the most decorated performers of all time, and now she's making her leap into the world of apparel by releasing a capsule with a retailer that's focused on inclusivity. But it goes so much deeper than that, talking about women and their strengths in general. And that, of course, calls attention to our video interview series that features just some of the powerhouse women in the decorated apparel industry. So I hope you're keeping up with that. That's not all the headlines that are happening this week. So make sure you scroll through the entire Apparelist newsletter so that you can keep up on what's going on, as well as read some articles to make sure your business is where it needs to be. Before we call it a wrap, big shout out to Jeremy Picker and his team at Amber Creative for today's t-shirt. The team printed this shirt in collaboration with Danny Greninger, and it brings a vintage vibe with plastisol, crackle ink, and inline flocking. That's everything for this week. We'll catch you next time.